Hey guys, for today's video, itatry natin yung Dubai Chocolate Viral na drink version ni Dunkin. Ayan siya. Bango. Kasi nakakain ako nung viral chocolate. So, wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-try para at least, baka kasi limited edition lang to. So, okay. The flavor is there. So good. And hindi siya ganun katamis sa well done Dunkin. Grabe. Well, by the way, hindi to sponsored. Gusto ko lang talaga siyang tikman. It's so good. Really yung crunch. Parang kumakain ka nung Dubai Viral chocolate. Very crunchy. Gusto kong tikman yung pinaka-drink. Pinaka-frap. Hindi talaga siya matamis. Perfect. That's it. Ubusin ko na to habang nanonood ng movie. Bye guys!